MoneyGram versus Western Union. Which one is the best payment platform? Now, they're both widely used around the world, and both have over 200 plus locations and territories. But see, MoneyGram has this, but Western Union actually has more locations around the world. Okay, and they also differ, for example, in fees, transfer speed, and both platforms have really good speeds. But let's go over MoneyGram first. MoneyGram, they transfer, in minutes to hours for cash pickups and 1 to 3 days for bank transfers. On the other hand, Western Union offers faster cash pickups and bank transfers that take 0 to 5 days, depending on the method. Then looking at the fees, okay, they both have the same fees, as you can see right here. Let me show you. For the first transaction, which is 0, but after that, MoneyGram has a $5 fee, about $5 fee unusual to send $100. Now the same $100 you send through Western Union, it only costs you $1.99. So Western Union is cheaper, and look at their exchange rate. Okay, their exchange rate is even better, right? It's slightly better as well. So of course, Western Union has the more competitive rates, and if you are looking for affordable small money transfers, then go ahead and go for Western Union. Even the larger, transfers, Western Union is a better choice because of the exchange rates and fees. Overall, faster service. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.